Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm going to make for you my ultimate breakfast sandwich. It's going to be a kind of gloomy day, and I really wanted something that's going to, you know, pep me up and get me out and get going. So let's get over to the stove over here and we'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. We got the griddle out today because we're going to be cooking a lot of stuff. Because this is like a kind of like a Dagwood sandwich, but it's a breakfast sandwich. So got the griddle out. We're gonna get that heated up, but first we need to get the main characters going. So we got a pound of country mild Jimmy Dean, and we're gonna cut it into four places, or four chunks, so we can make four patties out of it. Because we need big patties. It's a big sandwich, so. Get that popped out of there. Get all the goodness out of it. Slippery sucker. One more to go here. Get it popped out. Alright. Again, get all the goodness out of there. This one in the trash. And we're going to make our patties. So, I always make them for the sandwiches. I always make them big and thin because they're going to puff up some. But, alright. They're thinner, they cook quicker, so that way you're not waiting around being hungry. So, alright. One more. Get it patted out there. Get it unstuck from my hand. Alright. Get the griddle warmed up. We'll get these a cooking. So, bring you guys back when we're warmed up. Alright, y'all. Our griddle's heating up here. About 300 degrees. So, we're going to get our patties on here. Alright, get them patties on there, and we're going to toss a couple of hash browns, because we need hash browns on our sandwich. So, get these things fried up, ready to go. Shouldn't take a whole lot of time to get these things cooked up, so we're going to bump the temperature up to about 325, just to make sure she's good and warm. Because we want her to cook quick. Not too quick, but quick. So, alright. So, alright, I'm going to get these cooked up and bring you all back whenever we're ready to move to the next top ingredient, I guess, or filling for the sandwich. So be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, flip these things over, and woohoo, yeah, those are coming out nicely. And I don't know if y'all ever cooked on a electric griddle before, but it seems like the ends are always the hottest, so that's why everything's kind of separated out. Oh yeah. Nice and brown the way I like them. So, alright. Let's finish these things up, and we'll move on to the next little ingredient. Alrighty, y'all. Our patties are done. So we're going to pull them off and set them off to the side to drain off. And don't throw them down on your stove. I think our hash browns are about done too, so yep. Don't worry about breaking them in half, because that just makes it easier for to chew them up. Alright. Now, get all this sticky stuff pulled off and moved off to the side, because we need to cook a couple eggs. We're going to throw a little bit of butter on here, because I like eggs cooked in butter. Get that melted up. And we bumped the heat up to about 350 for the eggs, so let's get them cracked on here. Alright. Let's give them a little shake of pepper. We're going to fry these up somewhat hard. Not a little dippy, but not dippy. If that makes any sense to y'all. So, alright. Let me get these eggs cooked up, and we'll bring you guys back after everything's all cooked and we're ready to assemble. Alright, y'all. We got those eggs all cooked up. So, we're going to start to assemble our sandwich. So, first we need a plate, a couple of toaster English muffin or waffles. I'm going to throw the sausage patty on there. I'm going to grab the egg off of here, put that on there, and this is where that somewhat dippy egg comes into. Get that broke open, get that kind of schmoozed on there a little bit. And take a slice of cheese, throw it on there, and then we're going to throw our hash brown on there, top it off. There's the ultimate breakfast sandwich. So let's get over here and we'll do our taste test. Alright, y'all, we got that ultimate breakfast sandwich. See all that goodness in there. Actually got some cheese dripping down on my hand. Woo! So let's you know, best thing in town, baby, because it's homemade. So alright, let's take a bite of this and show you how it tastes. Y'all, that is delicious. You know, surprisingly, that maple syrup goes awesome with it. So, you know, don't leave that step out. So, there you have it, y'all. The ultimate breakfast sandwich. Bear's ultimate breakfast sandwich, I should say. You know, It has all the fixings that, you know, everybody loves. So, and a little variation on this. I have used biscuits before, stacked it up the same way, did everything the same, but then I topped it with sausage gravy. Ate it with a knife and a fork. That is also very awesome. So, however you want to try it, but I hope you do try it. If you made it this far, please hit that thumbs up, leave me a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below if you think this is going to be a hit or not around your place. I know it's a hit here because I love it. So, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit.